So my view of the role of entrepreneurship, and especially technology-driven entrepreneurship, has not changed one iota because of the events of last year or two. They didn't change because of the events of last 3 or 4 years either. I continue to believe that technology will have a bigger and bigger impact on life, on society, on the economy. At every level, we will be driven almost completely by technology in terms of the change that happens. Now, there are other kinds of change, and I don't want to minimize them, but they aren't as radical or disruptive. Occasionally, you do see things like the breakdown of the USSR, but and the Mideast conflict and politics and some of those things. But technology is a consistent driver of change.
And there's a role for startups in that.
And there's a role for startups. In fact, most of the change is driven by technology change is driven by entrepreneurs. So I continue to believe it's going to be very important and become more important over time rather than less. And nothing about the dark days of the last year has changed that view or is likely to change that view.
No.
Technology will continue to be a bigger part of GNP for the next foreseeable future, 20 or 30 years, till we decide that progress isn't important, efficiency isn't important, or make some other decisions. By the way, I also believe that almost most of the environmental problems we are facing today, and I consider myself an environmentalist, have technology solutions. In addition to political and other solutions, the principal tool, the majority of the solution will come from technology, whether it's to energy, population, water, food, you name it.